guys, welcome back to Code Generator. Myself Kiran. In this video, we'll know the how to find the Fibonacci series. So let's get started. So to know what is Fibonacci series, let's take value 0, 1, 1. See, adding previous two terms, we'll get the next value. So 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So you know what is the next value? 2 plus 1, that is 3, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is the order of the Fibonacci series we get, and let's implement this. So in C language, we'll start with the header file, hash include stdio.h. So okay, next we'll start with the int main. Let's initialize the values, n value. Starting value, what we are taking, a equal to 0 and then b equal to 1. So, and c value. So, at what limit we have to print the values? Let's enter that. Enter the limit. Right. Next, we have to read the inputs. So, to reading the inputs, we'll take percentile d. Let's give the space for the numbers. And percent n. Right. Next, we'll take a for loop. We start with the 1 and I is less than or equal to n, then I plus plus. So next we are printing the a value, the starting value. Here we take c equal to a plus b. That means we are adding previous two terms to the c. Now a equal to b, that means what is value assigned to b? What we have taken, suppose let's take let's take a equal to 0. We have taken as b equal to 1. Right? So now c equal to a plus b. That's what we have written. That means c equal to 0 plus 1. Right? Now the next thing is a equal to b. That means in b we have 1. So that is assigned to a. So now a becomes 1, right? And c becomes b. So what is the c value? 0 plus 1 is 1. So now b equal to also 1. Next we'll perform c equal to a plus b. That means c equal to 1 plus 1. So we get 2. Like that we get the Fibonacci series. So let's write a equal to b, then b equal to c. Okay, we'll complete. We have completed it. So let's check. Let's execute it. Oh, we have not initialized I. We have taken I in the loop. So let's run it. So we have got the limit. Let's enter as 2. So we got as 0 and 1. Let's check. Let's check it for 10 values. So we have got it for the 10 values. So thank you so much guys for watching this video.